Pour olive oil, add butter, add the onion, saute the onion. Now you want to make room in the middle of the skillet for the steak. Add in the sliced steak, season with salt and pepper. Cook until well done. Clean the skillet, add butter. Add in the steak and onion and the toast. Provolone cheese. Put steak and onion on the toast with the provolone cheese. And there you have steak and onion grilled cheese.
I know your mouth is watering. I know you see the cheesy goodness.
Oh, yeah, look at it.
I know you see that. I know your mouth is watering.
Yes, it is.
Thanks for watching.